What's poppin', friends? Things are a little bit different today. I wasn't planning on getting another video out for a couple more weeks, and regular scheduled programming will be back by November. But I wanted to start with the most important thing because I know my viewer retention is low, and that is Hurricane Ian ravaged Florida earlier this week. And one of my friends actually lives down there. You all know her, Calen, Moon Bunnies. If you're not familiar with the Moon Bunnies channel, I definitely recommend checking it out. I'm going to have her coffee, her channel, and all videos and streams that she has done relating to the Hurricane Ian issue in the description below. The best way to help her right now, because she has essentially lost her house, is to donate to the coffee, because if you donate to YouTube on a live stream, you don't see those funds for a month. So if you're able to, don't do anything that'll jeopardize yourself, but if you are able, if you have the money to spare, we would definitely appreciate any bit you have to offer. $1, $10, doesn't matter. Every little bit helps and adds up somewhere. So moving on from that, where the hell have I been? And that is a loaded question. I don't talk much about myself here, but the past couple months have been very rough from a work standpoint, from a mental health standpoint, from a lifestyle standpoint. It's seemingly been one thing after another that's just made it difficult for me to focus on recording content, writing scripts, and moving forward with the channel. I'm slowly getting back on track with it, but it's been quite the struggle. You guys are going to see me back soon with more AI shenanigans, some videos about my original characters and a project that I have been working on fleshing up the world for. So, yeah, I don't really have much to say right now. It kind of hurts to sit up at my desk, so I'm going to go ahead and end this here so that I have just minimal editing to do. Go help Calen out if you can. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe.